Okay, this is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. My topic will be a random topic, and this will be, it's a long video format because it's better that I will explain this in long video format than the short videos. This problem, okay, is done by young students who try to cancel something on both the numerator and denominator, okay, but they made a mistake. Okay, let's proceed. How to cancel requirement. Okay, number one, meaning how to cancel if we are given a fraction and we got some terms on the numerator and some terms on the denominator. To avoid the cancellation error, the proper concept should be the one I will be explaining. How to cancel requirement, the concept will be this, the correct concept for wherever you go, apply this concept and you will not get lost on the so-called cancellation of something on the numerator and something on the denominator. The numerator operation is multiplication, not addition or subtraction. Meaning to say, before you could cancel something on both the numerator and denominator, the operation on the numerator should be multiplication. Okay? I will try to illustrate this one by giving an example. I will place numbers so we could visualize it. Okay? Example. Simplify the given fraction is the product of 2 times 3 all over 2. The problem is asking, we must have to simplify this one. Okay, let's try to bring out the solution. The first thing, okay, that you will be asking yourself is the operation on the numerator multiplication? Is it multiplication? It is multiplication, right? That's the number one question you will be asking yourself. Before proceeding with any cancellation, you ask yourself, is the operation on the numerator multiplication? Okay? It is multiplication. Oh, what's the conclusion now? The conclusion, you can cancel, okay? Actually, the one we are canceling are actually similar terms. Similar, right? So we can proceed with the cancellation of similar terms for both the numerator and denominator. So if we try to continue this one, okay, we will rewrite this one here. 2 times 2, okay, the operation is multiplication. It's a must that the operation should be multiplication. Right? It's multiplication all over 2. And the procedure on the cancellation, whatever similar terms on both the numerator and denominator, you can cancel as long as the operation on the numerator is multiplication. Since the operation on the numerator is multiplication, we can now cancel these 2 and 2 here. They're similar, right? So this will now be 1, this is 1. 1 times 3 will be 3, and this will be over 1. So 3 over 1 will be equal to 3. So the answer will be 3. The correct answer here will be 3. Okay, what's the problem over here? There's no problem because we ask ourselves, is the operation on the numerator multiplication? It is multiplication. So we can now cancel similar terms for both the numerator and denominator. What comes out is the answer is 3. Okay, let's try to bring out the wrong concept on how to make cancellations. Supposing the operation on the numerator is addition. Okay, it's addition. That's the operation. Okay? If the operation in the numerator is addition, you cannot cancel 2 and 2. Why? This is this is with the guard. We got a guard. Okay. This plus here is guarding this two here. You cannot just remove it. Okay. It seems this two here is attached to this three. Okay. So if you try to proceed with the wrong solution concept, you cancel this one. So this will be 1, this 1. So it will now be 1 plus 3 all over 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, right, over 1, and the answer will be 4. Your answer will be 4, but this is wrong, right? It's wrong. The correct procedure will be this. 2 plus 3 all over 2, you cannot do anything about it. You cannot cancel it. Why? You cannot cancel. The operation is addition, right? Because the requirement for a cancellation is that the operation between 2 and 3 should be multiplication, and since it is plus, you cannot do anything about it. Even if it is minus, much more you cannot do anything about it. Supposing this is plus. Okay? So the proper way how to simplify this one, no cancellation. Okay? Proceed with the addition. 2 plus 3 will be 5 all over 2, and 5 over 2 will be 2.5. So if the operation here is plus, the correct answer will be 2.5, and the wrong answer is 4. This is wrong. This is wrong. Because obviously, 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. But according to your wrong cancellation process, okay, your answer is actually 4. It's really wrong. That's why the requirement is that if the operation and the numerator is multiplication, if this is multiplication, right, they are not attached with each other, you are free to cancel. So what will come out will be 3 over 1 or equal to 3. Same as this one. Okay, that's it, guys. For those who are taking up SAT or CAT and you try to avoid cancellation errors, the number one you will ask yourself is that, is the operation in the numerator multiplication? If the answer is yes, you can make some cancellations for both the numerator and denominator for similar terms. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles, Professor David Generoso.